Hey guys, welcome to Juan and Carlito show.
Ah! Quan, there's so many bills.
Hey,
We're getting
Carlito.
sued.
What? Oh, the stupid frog is after us again.
Frog?
Yeah, it's a frog.
Quan, that's a turtle.
Oh.
Ah,
Oh yeah, I don't see the shell. Yeah, it's a turtle.
dang it. Make a payment. No.
Oh, wait.
What's this say? Wait.
It says we can make some grape.
What? It says we can cook to pay the bills. Okay. Okay. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, I'm way ahead of you.
Why is there blood on it? Go on.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Quan and Carlito.
Hey guys.
Quan!
Here,
Quan, I got.
you have your chef hat on?
Yeah, look, I got my hat on. How do I look?
Guys, this is the ingredients you're gonna need for your cooking. Okay, this is what you need for cooking. Is a lot of cheese. It's not sexy, stupid. You better not leave. All right, any of you, all of you, you better not leave. Or especially you two.
Hey guys, I have a little secret to tell you. I like pot. No, I know what you're thinking. It's not. It's pot. Like, don't judge me, man. Like, I like pot.
Oh, don't do drugs, kid.
Yeah, don't do drugs.
We're professional idiots.
Okay, so first things first. We use Kettle Cook original chip. So plop it in there. Plop, plop.
Ooh, I like some kettle corn chip.
Carlito, it's kettle banana.
Shut up, corn.
All right.
I need some music.
All right, now we need some cheese ball. Better not leave on me. It's expired. If you're lactose intolerant, you can skip this part. Actually, no, don't skip it. You try it. It's good, right? Carlito, is it good?
I think it'll be good.
All right. I'd like some sauce. Just spank it. Okay. All right. Now, cheeses. You know what? Let's skip this part.
No!
Okay, fine. Like some. Now what?
Oh, yeah, actually, yeah. So, can I have this drink here? Ooh, die. So, come on, do that one. Potato crusher.
Oh, how about this? Okay, what do we use, Carlito? No.
Oh, I got it.
I know. Oh. Perfect. The cheese balls are not popping.
Let's put a guy.
Alright, this is what your thing should look like. It's kinda ugly.
Okay, get some of your
Take
pieces.
a few.
Yeah, that look good.
Now, this is what your seasoning should look like.
Quan, I don't think we have that.
Try it.
Okay, what are we gonna do with this?
Now time to add the sprinkles. Okay. Slowly. And alright, time to put this in the stove. Alright. Alright. Cheese fries. Three sprinkles. Okay. Oh. Yo, congrats, bro. Your cheese is left. Okay, okay, damn.
No!
Shut the hell up, okay? Stop being so loud.
You didn't leave!
Okay,
You never
I got
left!
Your cheese is here. Stop it. Shut up. Oh my god, I'm leaving.
Yes!
Okay, I get it. You don't have to tell your brother.
never left!
Jesus Christ. Oh my. Okay, dude, calm down. Cheese is
Really,
here.
that's a miracle.
Alright. Okay,
The
stop.
cheese never left.
You don't have to tell Carlito.
really?
Stop it.
Never left.
Shut the hell up, okay? Stupid. Alright. This is cheesy surprise. Cheesy surprise. Oh, okay. This stupid thing again. Okay, shut up. Okay.
This is
Tell
cheesy
you
surprise.
Goddamn cheese.
It never left. It